Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see Doordash credits. To get started, go ahead and open the Doordash app on your device. Make sure that you have the app installed on your device and that you're signed in into your account on the app. Once you're in on the app, go ahead and head over into the Accounts tab by clicking on the top right corner of your screen at the left side of the notification icon. That will take you to the account settings for your Doordash account. Now, once you're on the account settings, head over here into the payments method section. So click on that payments method tab and that will redirect you into the section where you'll be able to find your available payment methods for Doordash. So under that, you'll be able to find this Doordash credits section. And this is where you'll be able to see your Doordash credits, and that is how you can simply see your Doordash credits. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.